Just to kind of recap, Sue DeMeo here, explaining the journey of my stem cell implant recovery. And one thing I didn't tell you, the stem cells are, it's kind of, you have the inflammation process. So you can't do ice, you can't do ibuprofen, any of those modalities. So what I started to do for pain is, besides the Tylenol, now I'm off the Tylenol, we're going into day 4, 5. I just got a beanbag heat pack. That was helpful. A beanbag heat pack. The other thing is kinesio tape is very helpful also for pain. So those are just some ways you can control your pain. And also I began, since I could only, again, move my arm about 35 degrees, I started to say I need to get on a program. I need to start doing things. My therapy is scheduled for next Tuesday, but not soon enough. So it was the 20th when I began to really move more. And what I did, I'm just going to show you some of the tools I used right quick. Should we stop?